Hey everyone, Stu here from Ukulele Zen. Today I'm going to teach you a great Beatles riff paperback writer, so get your ook and join in with me. This is what it sounds like. If you want to jam the entire song, I made a video tutorial and it's a really fun play along with the Beatles. You can click right here to watch that. There's also a link in the video description below. After you learn this riff, you may like to play the entire tune with me and the Beatles. This is the way the riff goes. Let me break it down. Now, a couple of things I'm doing. I'm plucking the first four notes, open G string. Yes, I'm using a low G, but you can use any G string, the ukulele that you like. Open G, open C, second fret D, third fret G. And a couple of tricks for getting some speed is to hammer on that third note. Okay, so I pluck the C string and then I hammer on, smacking the second finger against the second fret. Right, just behind the fret. It's like you're drumming on the fretboard. After that, third fret. Another speed trick before we move on to the rest of it is, see how my thumb is sweeping through all the strings? Just play these first four notes. You don't have to hammer. You can go pluck every note individually, or maybe you like to hammer. All right, the rest of the riff, leave your middle finger where it is, pluck that second fret of the third string, and then the first fret of the second string. All right, add those two notes to the first four notes. Ready? And. Ready? And. All right, after this, we're going to play the open G, open C, then open G, open C, hammer or pluck the middle finger, second fret, and then the first fret, second string. When you put this all together, it's a nice workout for the thumb. It's also a chance to practice some hammer-ons. When you hammer, make sure that it's not too much that you're squeezing, very light. So there's the riff. Let's practice it a few more times, and then I'll see you over in the Play Along Jam video. There is a link down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. 1, 2, let's play. Do that 5 or 10 times and then pick it up in speed. 2, 3, 4. All right, sweeping the thumb through, hammering on, all tricks to help you get some more speed into this lick. Thanks so much for hanging. Appreciate you watching. I hope music is making your day wonderful today. Thanks.